students. As you see, this is your classroom, class 80. I know that you're missing your classroom like anything. Let's move on to the other part of the school. You see the corridors and all, these are all empty. Absolutely empty, and I believe that you're missing your school like anything, and we all teachers are missing you. We hope that very soon we'll have a normal class, we'll again join together and we'll live a normal life. Now let's get into the class, students. Now this is your classroom, and from today onwards I will be taking your live class or any video that I will be making that is from your class itself. Okay, so as you see that on the board I have written exercise 14.2, sum number 4, question number 4, sum number 3 I have written x to the power 4 minus y plus z to the power 4, isn't it? So we have to solve the sum with the identity which I have written, a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b, a minus b. So I already explained in question number 1 and 2 how exactly you have to convert this x to the power form in the form of a squared. So let's do it first. So to convert this x to the power form to a square form, what we have to do, x squared to the power square. Okay, the similar things we have to go for this. That is the same treatment with the second one, that is y plus z squared to the power whole square. Okay, so this is how we have converted x to the power 4 in the form of a squared and b squared. So let me write what is a. A will be considered as x squared and b is y plus z whole square. Okay, so this is a and b for you. I think it will help you to understand. Now, as because the question is given in a squared minus b square form, you have to split it in this form, that is a plus b, a minus b. So let us write a plus b, a minus b. So what is a? A is given x squared and plus b means it is a binomial form, so you always have to put it inside the bracket. Okay, so this is, just give a curly bracket out here. So this is a plus b. Okay, now what is the next thing that we have to write? A minus b. So again give a curly bracket. What is a? This is a minus b, isn't it? So this is a plus b and a minus b. So we'll keep this part as intact, but as you see carefully, if you see this part, the second part carefully, so it is given in the form of a squared minus b squared, isn't it? So again we have to split this second part of the question, of the solution, in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so let me write this part on the next over here, that is a squared plus y plus z squared. So it is a plus b. Now we'll split the second part of the solution, that is a squared minus b squared. Okay, now we'll split this part. Okay, so we'll split this part. So now we'll keep this first portion as intact. We'll not change anything. We'll just keep it as intact. That is a plus b. This part will keep it as intact because there is no such identity to expand this form. But we have an identity to expand this form. So for this, a squared minus b squared. Now what is a? X. Now x will be considered as a, and what is b? B is y plus z. Okay, so this time to split this part, a plus b, so what we have to write? A plus b, isn't it? So a is what? X, and what is b? B is y plus z. So how we have to write? A plus b, isn't it? So just put it in the curly bracket, a plus b. Put it inside the bracket. Now another part we have to write is what? A minus b, isn't it? So what is a? A is x and b is y plus z. So a minus b. Okay, now as because the terms are inside the bracket, so you have to open it. Keep this part as intact. We'll keep this part as intact. No change. We'll not do any changes with this part. Okay, so this is the first part. Now there is a bracket is given. Open this bracket, so it will look like x plus y plus z. And what is the next part? X minus. Now be careful with this minus sign. When you see minus sign is outside the bracket, so this sign will change. The sign inside the bracket will change. Okay, so we'll write y minus So this is a solution of sum number 3 of question number 4. So just watch out very carefully. Okay, that is exercise 14.2, sum number 3 of question number 4. Fine, see the identities very properly, how exactly you're taking A and B, how I've splitted the form, just see it very, very properly. Okay, so this is the only sum that you will be doing for this session. That is sum number 3. Okay, for next session I will be explaining you question of sum number 4 of question number 4. Okay students, if any problem you are facing, please let me know in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much and God bless.